Welcome to Ring Ding TV.
How to make money online. 11 ways to make money online. Bullet points in this video. Briefly details. Total time. Setup. How easy to start. How fast you'll get paid. Need to know. Requirements. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we have found some viable options. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check sites such as Django or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know what to charge. Learn how to get started on Upwork. Total time. It can take a while to get your first gig. Setup. 24 hours. How easy to start? Easy if you have the expertise. How fast you'll get paid varies by site. Upwork will approve your profile within 24 hours. But keep in mind it can take time to land your first freelance gig. Payment varies by site. On Upwork, you're paid after you and the client review the work, 10 days after the billing period ends. On Fiverr, you're paid when the work order is complete, but you can't withdraw funds for 14 days. Upwork and Fiverr require users to be at least 18 to sell work. And Freelancer.com requires users to be at least 16. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps work. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid depending on the test type. Total time. Approval time can vary. Setup. Less than an hour. How easy to start? Easy if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. Age threshold. 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid? 7 days. You typically need to complete a sample test as part of the application process. You will start receiving testing opportunities after your application is approved. The timeline for approval can vary. You get paid 7 days after completing a website or app test via PayPal. You need to be at least 18. You need a computer, internet connection, and microphone. Mobile app testers also need an Android or iOS mobile phone or tablet. Some sites might have language requirements. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs to a crowdsourcing marketplace like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious: tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research. Online communities like the Turkit and Turkey Nation subreddits can steer you away from shifty dealers and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Read more about Mechanical Turk as a way to make quick money online. Total time. Up to 3 business days to find out if you're approved. Setup. Depends on the task you choose. How easy to start? easy if you have certain skills. Age threshold, 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid? You get paid following work approval, which can take up to 30 days. After you submit your work, the requester has 30 days to approve it. You can have your earnings deposited into your bank account or put on an Amazon gift card. You must be at least 18 to register for Mechanical Turk. You also need an Amazon account to register for Mechanical Turk. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to earn a lot. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Read our analysis of survey sites to find out which one is best suited for you. Total time, it will take a while. Setup, just minutes. How easy to start? Very. Just register and begin. Age threshold, 13 to 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid varies by site. Survey sites could be an option for how to make money online for beginners because you can register with the site and start taking surveys in a matter of minutes. The time it takes to get paid depends on the survey site and how much time you dedicate to taking surveys. Some sites let you cash out only after you hit a minimum earnings threshold. Other survey sites issue points, which can be redeemed for cash, via PayPal, or gift cards. Most survey sites have a minimum age requirement, which ranges from 13 to 18, depending on the site, making these sites one idea for teens to make money online. Individual surveys may have specific requirements. Don't be surprised if you are disqualified from a survey without much explanation. Make money from your blog with affiliate links. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. Read more about affiliate marketing and other ways bloggers can make money. Total time, it can take quite a while to build an audience. Setup, with blog templates, building a site is easy. How easy to start? Starting is not that difficult. Creating regular content may be another matter. Age threshold, any. How fast you'll get paid? A month or two, on average. First, you need a blog, social media account, or other online presence that draws a healthy number of visitors each month. Then, you need to apply for and be approved by an affiliate marketing network like CJ Affiliate, Sherry Flex Offers, Rakute Advertising, or Amazon Associates. Payment schedules and thresholds vary by affiliate network, but expect to wait at least a month or two for your first paycheck. Amazon Associates pays out earnings 60 days after the end of the calendar month in which they were earned. Sherry disburses earnings monthly. A blog, social media account, or other online presence that attracts a steady stream of visitors. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery or pottery? Sell your crafts on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art and knickknacks. According to Etsy, the company has 95 million active buyers and grossed over $13 billion in merchandise sales in 2022. Learn more about how to make money on Etsy. Total time, it might take quite a while for customers to find you. Setup can be quite involved. How easy to start? Leaning toward hard on the difficulty meter. Age threshold, 13 plus. How fast you'll get paid? From the next day to 7 days after a sale. Opening an Etsy shop is the easy part. It can be done in a few hours. The prep work before you open up shop is more time consuming. You need merchandise to sell, photos and descriptions to post, a name for your shop and a business plan to help you succeed. Once that's done, you'll still need to find customers. Depending on what you're selling, that could take weeks, which is why you should expect the overall time for this gig to be slow. Once you sell an item, payment is deposited into your Etsy payments account first, then to your bank account depending on your desired deposit schedule. If you're over 13 years old but under 18, you can sell on Etsy but would be considered a minor and must follow extra policies. You need to have all necessary rights to the merchandise sold in your shop. Self-publish an ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you're a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. It's free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book, enter a clear description and the details to be displayed, and upload your manuscript. Set the price and see if it sells. Total time: how fast can you type? We don't have to tell you writing a book can be a slog. Setup: quick and easy on KDP once the book is ready. How easy to start? Just start writing. Age threshold: 18+. How fast you'll get paid? Monthly, after you meet the $100 threshold. Just because it's simple to self-publish doesn't mean your book will sell. Competition is high with millions of ebook titles on the Kindle store. Choose one of two royalty options, 70% or 35%. You'll have to price your book between $2.99 and $9.99 if you select the 70% option. You can go higher when you pick 35%. You need to create a Kindle Direct Publishing account to get started. Proper formatting is important. Amazon says most Microsoft Word documents convert to ebooks easily, but other formats are supported. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark for applying for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube partners then get access to monetizing features, including a share of ad revenue. You can also use Google's AdSense, the same ad platform on YouTube, to put relevant ads on your blog or website for earning potential. Read more about how to make money on YouTube and Google AdSense. Total time: it can take several weeks to get up and running. Setup: not that hard. How easy to start depends on how good you are at producing interesting videos. Age threshold: 18+. How fast you'll get paid could take a long while to earn the first payout, then monthly. Signing up for Google AdSense is pretty easy, but to use AdSense with YouTube, you'll need to be part of the partner program. You can use AdSense on a website or blog with fewer eligibility requirements. Allow at least 2 months for ad revenue to start trickling in. You need to earn at least $100 before you're eligible for a payout. Once you hit the $100 threshold, earnings are issued between the 21st and 26th of the month. Your own website that has been active for at least 6 months. For YouTube, you need more than 1,000 subscribers. You must be at least 18. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large, dedicated followings on the platform, to rep their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like OpenInfluence or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. Read more about how to make money on Instagram. You can also make money on TikTok this way. Total time, you'll need to stick with it. Setup, quick and easy. How easy to start? Not that easy. Read, must build following to gain influence. Age threshold, 13+. How fast you'll get paid, varies on partnerships. Creating an Instagram account is quick, but building a following can take months or even years. Once you have the numbers, you'll need to find paid opportunities. You can do this via affiliate networks or by pitching brands you want to work with. The time to receive your payment will depend on the terms of your agreement, but affiliate networks typically pay out earnings the month after a campaign is completed. An Instagram account with a dedicated, engaged following. You'll also need to meet the requirements of any affiliate network. Monetize your Twitch channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Streamers can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. Learn more about how to make money on Twitch. Total time, this can be a long game. Setup, quick and easy. How easy to start? Easy to start, takes a while to build a following. Age threshold, 13+. How fast you'll get paid? Monthly. You can launch a Twitch channel and start streaming in a day, but it will take weeks or even months to build a following. You may be able to withdraw donation revenue rather quickly, depending on the payout method. Subscription and ad revenue earned as a Twitch partner or affiliate is paid out around the 15th of every month, and you must have a balance of at least $50 for most payout methods. It's $100 for wire transfers. You need to hit certain viewership and broadcast milestones to become a Twitch affiliate or partner and qualify for a share of game sales, ads and subscription revenue. Sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500px, and PhotoShelter. Some sites require a subscription but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password-protected galleries and a customized website. Total time, buyers need to find you and like your work. Setup, just a few hours. How easy to start? If you have a library of photos, you're on the way. Age threshold, any. How fast you'll get paid depends on your sales platform. You can set up a profile with sites like SmugMug, PhotoShelter or Fine Art America in a few hours, assuming you have a body of original work. Payment varies widely depending on the site. Fine Art America, payment issued after 30-day return window expires. Sent on the 15th of each month. PhotoShelter, payment issued at time of sale to your chosen payment method, PayPal, Stripe, etc. SmugMug, you can request payment be issued the following month if you have a balance of at least $5. Requirements vary by site, but you need to have all necessary rights to the images you sell.